first thing I'm going to do, turn on the straightener, have it on 370, leave that sit, let it get hot, and then you're going to section off the first layer. And then you're going to get some heat protectant, put that all around. Okay, now for this next part you can either use a pencil or I'm going to try to use a paintbrush, but you know, whatever. When the straightener's hot, you're going to take a section of your hair, and the more hair, the bigger the curl. So I'm going to take about that much, and then I'm going to take the paintbrush, hold it like that, and wrap it around it, kind of like you do with a clipless curling iron. And then I'm going to take this over the sections. Let it cool for a second, and then you can go over again if you want. That's what I'm doing just because I don't know. And then just let go. Then you get that crimped look. Now I think it's going to work better with the pencil, so I'm going to go back to that. Okay. That's what you do. It's the same thing with the pencil. Guess it would probably work better with that. I just never had tried it with the paintbrush. Let it cool, and then there you go. I'm gonna do a few more, and then I'm gonna pause and finish this layer and then go to the second one. Because nobody wants to sit and watch the whole thing of doing the same repeated action. Well, some people do, but I don't. And it'd be better to use an eraser end, like hold the eraser end, instead of the stupidity I just did. Because if you do that, look, it kind of gets caught in the hair sometimes. And nobody likes it. So, you do this, like that, and then wrap it around. And now, I wouldn't suggest going like that because it doesn't really get each individual curl. And if you want, you can hairspray it before you let go. But I don't feel like getting up to get hairspray. And anyways, some people's hair doesn't really like keep the curl that well. But mine's naturally curly, so it usually will keep this until I wash it again. And you want to make sure when you take the hair that you do it like this and not like this. Unless, if you want inward curls where they're turning that way, then you do it like that. But I kind of prefer them going outward. So, I do it like this. Okay. I do it like that. Careful not to burn your ear, because I've done that a couple times. And that is not fun. guess it'd be a lot easier if you just had a crimper, but this is if you have a straightener and you want crimped hair. It's not exactly crimped. I guess it's kind of curl and crimp. I don't exactly know, but do whatever. This is just some of the stuff that I do and I've seen other people do. Alright. I'm just doing it to add a little bit of curl to some spots. But I'm not trying to do, like, you can do a full head of curls, but that seems to be for like a big, if you were to have like a wedding or, I don't know, something. But that's not what I'm going for. I'm just looking for a little something to add. So I guess I wouldn't even have to be layering if I'm not doing full layers. But it makes it easier. 1 minute, Joe. Yes, I am, but I can cut that out. I'm gonna pause it and then I'll come see what you're talking about. So, just, yeah, you're doing the same thing that you were just doing, just with this layer. I'm doing it purposely to be random. It's not supposed to be perfect, you know? If there's a couple curls that are bigger than the other ones, then that's fine, you know? I mean, if you want them to be perfect, you're just not gonna get that. It's impossible. At least it is for me.
Upon my door the other day, I opened it to find out staring in my face. The feel of mortal stalking still reverberates. Everywhere I go, I drag this coffin just in case. My body's tremble as it shivers down my spine. Adrenaline kicks in, shifts into overdrive. Your secrets keep you sick, your lies keep you alive. Snake eyes every single time you roll with crooked dice. Laugh out the darkness as it tried to pull me down. The kind of dark that haunts 100-year-old house. I wrestle with my thoughts, I shook the hand of doubt. Running from my past, I'm praying feet don't fail me now.
Curls like around here. Maybe some here. But kind of like, I usually run my fingers through my hair afterwards. Try to loosen them. Make it seem kind of random. That's what I go for. Being random. Okay. Then, if you want to, if you did the whole, like, all of your hair, then you usually go over with hairspray even after you did everything. But it's like, whatever, you know, do whatever, do whatever it is you want to do. That's not insane. Yeah, exactly. And that's about it. This is weird. Didn't exactly turn out how I wanted. But trial and error. That's about it. This side looks way more poofy than this side, so I might want to fix that. Just gonna take random sections.
her down. Let your hair down. We's about to get out. Oh my God. This girl straight and this girl not. Tipsy off that pitch to rock like. Ching-a-lang-lang, ching-a-lang-a-lang-lang. Jeans so tight.
It looks crazy, but whatever. I don't know. Anyways, thanks for watching. And bye.